Hello everyone, this is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia, and today we are in Fredonia, New York, and we just got done setting both halves of this modular home on its 8-foot superior wall foundation. And I'm going to go down in the basement to show you that too. This floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and has a ton of space in it. It's approximately 1,800 square feet on the main floor. And this is a really cool floor plan where it has an integrated back porch here, fully built in. So I'm going to put the link to this floor plan in the video description so that you can see how big this back porch is and all the other sizing in the other rooms in this house. But this is just a really nice floor plan, and as you can see right now, really nice piece of property too, real big piece of property here in Fredonia. And as you can see right now, as I'm talking, the roof is being lifted to its peak. So we've got one side here lifted up with the knee walls pulled out. And as you can see, they got done pulling these 2 modules together real tight. And I'm gonna walk around the house real quick just so you can get a view of it, and then we'll go down into the basement. And I believe this is an 8-foot wall, even though it looks extremely tall. It looks like it might even be a 9-foot wall. But we're gonna see about that, and I'll confirm it in the description when I post the video. Gotta make sure I don't fall on my face here. But yeah, look at how high up that thing is from where I'm standing. So we'll verify how tall that wall is. But I'm sure that basement looks amazing down there, so I can't wait to let you see that too. So you can see the roof getting lifted up on this end too. And we've got a side door here. And we'll walk around to the front. And there's the crane. So we got a real tall crane today for this house. It's a big, heavy house. Really nice piece of property here. And the Owl Homes crew in full effect. So let's wrap back around and go inside that basement. Okay, so something to be said about this too is, looks like they're using some machinery down there right now, but something to be said about this too is, of course, you see all the windows around the house on the basement, but this is going to be a Bilco entryway here. So it's not complete yet. The Bilco doors are going to go on top of this concrete step setting. So you're going to have metal doors that flap open from side to side on top of this. Excuse me. And that's a great option because a lot of people, especially with how superior walls are now today, where they come pre-studded and insulated and have holes to run wiring through. It's all set up to finish down here. So what this allows for, rather than just having a standard egress window on the basement, just the slight upgrade to the Bilco doors makes it so that if you do ever decide to finish anything down in this basement, you don't have to carry all those materials through the house. So this is a really good option here. And let's get you down in here. Oh, we got to get out of the way. Sorry. You're good. All right, let's check it out. Trying not to get stung by a bee. Sorry about the lighting here. Okay. So sorry about the noise, but I had to show you this. So you can see how this wall protrudes out into the basement space, and it is huge down here. Okay, I went to the other end of the basement so that it wasn't so loud. So as you can see, it's huge down here. I mean, these videos just don't do the size of these things justice. I say that in every video. But like I was talking about, these walls come insulated and studded already for you to drywall and finish this entire basement. So these basements are really cool. And as I was saying before, you can see how this wall protrudes out into the basement. that is, of course, because of the integrated porch on the back of the home. So that is it. And when this home is complete, hopefully we can come back and get a full video tour of this house when it's complete. And if you want any information on any parts of this project or the whole project itself, Our Homes of Fredonia makes it really easy for you to get information on that. It shouldn't be a hard or, intimidating process to be able to check out floor plans, look at homes, and get some pricing. So Our Homes of Fredonia makes that extremely easy, and you can call or just walk in anytime, and they will give you all the information you need. And if you are thinking about something like this, the worst thing you can do is obviously not get any information. So feel free to get a hold of Our Homes or just stop in anytime. There's over $2 million in homes on display at Our Homes of Fredonia at 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York. And the phone number is 716-673-1366. And once again, I'm Nicholas with Our Homes of Fredonia, and we'll catch you in the next one.